Cutting random chickens, trimming. Okay, come down the edges, center line. Cut it out. Cut off the fat from the edges. Right there is a line. On this side your tender, this side is your breast. Cut on the breast side. Flip your breast over. Shave it off. That's for a sandwich. Again, the center line of cartilage. Cut out either side. Take off your external fat. Cut inside your tenderloin. Breast side of tenderloin. Flip it over. Shave it. Got a piece of cartilage up here you'll miss sometimes. Just make sure you go back and get it. That's that. One more time. Cut out the center line. Your edge fat. These are all random, so they're random weight. That one doesn't need shaved down, it's tiny. Same with this guy. That's that.